Making a fiery re-entry, like a comet streaking across the skies over Florida, the 4 members of the Crew 6 mission returned to Earth shortly after midnight on Labor Day morning. The 3 astronauts and 1 cosmonaut splashed down off the coast of Jacksonville at 12:17 a.m. Eastern Time, marking the end of a 186-day mission.
Thanks, SpaceX Endeavour. We greatly appreciate all the support from all the initial training through the launch, throughout the mission, keeping us abreast of all the status of the vehicle, and all the support all the way down. This has been incredible. Greatly appreciate it, and look forward to working with you all again.
2, 1, engines full power.
The journey for this quartet began in the pre-dawn hours of March 2nd, when they launched atop a Falcon 9 rocket. This was the 9th crewed launch for SpaceX and the 8th destined for the International Space Station. While the mission was commanded by the experienced NASA astronaut Stephen Bowen, it offered 3 first-time flyers, Woody Hoburg, Sultan Al-Nayati, and Andrei Fadyaev, their first taste of working in space.
Just incredible to be here as a rookie flyer. I just can't believe, after years of training, it's the real place, and it looks just like almost just like Building 9 at Johnson Space Center.
Over the following 184 days, the crew was busy engaging in copious amounts of science experiments. They also showed off the oddities of microgravity and offered a glimpse of how to live off-world.
Really, I just wanted to kind of do something that I hope was authentic and in the moment without too much preparation, just showing some of the amazing work that we get to do up here. So anytime that I had a few extra minutes and thought I was doing something a little bit interesting, I figured I'd pull out a camera and hopefully share it with people so they could see.
During their mission, they also welcomed 7 visiting vehicles to the space station, including the 4 astronauts of the Axiom 2 mission, a 10-day private astronaut visit to the orbiting outpost. Al-Nayati completed the first spacewalk for an astronaut from the Middle East, and Bowen accomplished his 10th to date, giving him the 3rd most hours on record. And while they certainly enjoyed their 6-month stay in space, the crew said they were looking forward to some of the simple things when it comes to being back on Earth.
Family and friends are the most important, and beside that, I would love a real hot cup of coffee.
My dream is a bed for good sleeping. I can lay one side, another side, my back, sleeping.
The next team preparing for an orbital excursion is a new Soyuz crew consisting of cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko, Nikolai Chubb, and NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara. They will launch on September 15th. As for the Crew Dragon Endeavour spacecraft, NASA says it will be refurbished over the next several months and prepare for its 5th flight, supporting the Crew 8 mission in early 2024. Reporting for Spaceflight Now, I'm Will Robinson Smith.